Let's see how well you know about mangrove wetlands. Grab a pen and paper, or just answer the questions mentally. Ready to test your knowledge? Let's get started. Where are mangrove wetlands often found? The answer is D, where a river meets the sea. These areas, known as estuaries, provide the nutrient-rich waters and sheltered environments to support the growth of mangrove trees and the diverse ecosystems that depend on them. In which regions are mangrove wetlands found all over the world? The answer is C, tropical and subtropical areas. Mangroves require warm temperatures to grow, so they are predominantly found in tropical and subtropical coastal regions where the climate is suitable year-round. In which areas do mangrove trees mostly thrive? The answer is B, salty or brackish water areas. Areas with salty or brackish water include estuaries, deltas, and along the shorelines of bays and lagoons. Which type of root is characteristic of mangrove trees? The answer is A, prop. These unique root adaptations allow mangrove trees to survive in challenging environments with fluctuating tides, high salinity, and low oxygen levels. How do mangrove forests help the environment through sediment deposition and binding the soil? The answer is D, stabilize the coast. Mangrove wetlands act as natural barriers against storm surges, waves, and coastal erosion, protecting shorelines and reducing the impact of natural disasters. What resources do mangrove forests provide? The answer is D, all of the above. Many species of fish, birds, mollusks, reptiles, crustaceans, and other marine organisms rely on mangroves for breeding, nursery grounds, and shelter. Which of the following can mangrove forests perform? The answer is C, remove certain heavy metals from the water. The root systems of mangroves trap sediments, filter pollutants, and improve water quality to maintain the health of coastal ecosystems. What benefit does the tangled mangrove roots have on aquatic animals? The answer is B, they are dense and protective. The complex root systems provide numerous benefits including shelter and protection, breeding and nursery grounds, food sources, and biodiversity hotspots. How do mangrove forests protect the coastline? The answer is D, all of the above. The dense foliage and structure of mangrove trees reduce wind speeds and water currents, protecting the shoreline from erosion and damage. How do mangrove forests help fight climate change? The answer is C, remove carbon dioxide from the air and store carbon in the soil. Mangrove forests are highly efficient in capturing and storing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. They store up to 4 times more carbon per unit area than terrestrial forests. Which type of environment are mangrove wetlands primarily found? The answer is A, coastal regions. Mangroves are adapted to grow in saltwater or brackish water conditions, which are typically found in coastal areas where fresh water from rivers meets seawater. Which type of trees are most commonly associated with mangrove wetlands? The answer is B, mangrove trees. Mangrove trees are highly adapted to saline environments. This adaptation allows them to grow in intertidal zones where freshwater and seawater mix. What are mangrove roots known for? The answer is C. Stabilize coastal sediments. Coastal regions, especially estuaries and deltas, are sites of significant sediment deposition. Mangrove roots help stabilize these sediments and support the growth of the mangrove forest. Which of the following are important for mangroves to survive? The answer is D. Carbon sequestration. The carbon stored in mangrove soils can remain sequestered for centuries or even millennia. This long-term storage helps to reduce the overall concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, mitigating the greenhouse effect and climate change. Which type of mangrove has roots that grow above the ground and appear to walk on stilts? The answer is A. Red mangrove. Red mangroves, Rhizophora mangle, are known for their extensive network of prop roots that extend vertically from the trunk and branches down into the soil or water. Mangrove wetlands provide habitat for which of the following? The answer is D. All of the above. The diverse habitats within mangrove wetlands support rich biodiversity and are essential for the survival and reproductive success of many species, contributing to the overall health and resilience of coastal ecosystems. The destruction of mangrove wetlands is often due to which of the following? The answer is D. All of the above. As coastal areas become more attractive for residential and commercial development, human activities have been a great threat to the ecological functions that mangrove wetlands provide. Mangroves help protect coastlines from which of the following? The answer is B. Erosion. The dense network of roots and trunks in mangrove forests acts as a barrier that absorbs and dissipates the energy of incoming waves, reducing their impact on the shoreline. Which of the following is a benefit of mangrove wetlands? The answer is A. Water filtration. The root systems of mangroves trap sediments, filter pollutants, and improve water quality, maintaining the health of coastal ecosystems. Which of the following is characteristic of mangrove wetlands? The answer is B. High salinity levels. The saline environment of mangrove wetlands influences the distribution, composition, and productivity of mangrove species, shaping the entire ecosystem. Which region is home to the Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest in the world? The answer is C. Bay of Bengal. The majority of the Sundarbans lies in the southwestern part of Bangladesh, while other portions extend into the Indian state of West Bengal. Mangrove leaves have adapted to which of the following? The answer is B. Excrete salt through their leaves. The excretion process ensures the cells remain healthy and functional, preventing salt from accumulating to toxic levels within the plant. What is the main threat to mangrove wetlands? The answer is C. Deforestation. Clearing mangroves for residential and commercial development, infrastructure, resorts, and agricultural land disrupts and destroys the delicate balance of the coastal ecosystem. Which animal is commonly found in mangrove ecosystems? The answer is D. Crocodile. Mangrove ecosystems are essential breeding grounds for crocodiles. It gives them a secure place to build nests, lay their eggs, and provide a safe haven for young crocodiles. Mangroves are often referred to which of the following? The answer is B. The kidneys of the sea. The complex root systems of mangroves trap heavy metals, sediments, and other contaminants, preventing harmful substances from polluting the marine environment. What is the main function of mangrove roots in coastal ecosystems? The answer is A. Sediment stabilization. Mangrove roots help to stabilize the shoreline by trapping sediments and reducing the impact of strong waves and currents. The largest mangrove forest in the world is located in which country? The answer is C. Bangladesh. Known as the Sundarbans, this expansive forest covers approximately 10,000 square kilometers, with about 60% of it in Bangladesh and the remaining 40% in India. Why are mangrove wetlands vital for the life cycle of many marine species? The answer is C. Provide breeding and nursery grounds. Mangrove wetlands serve as vital nurseries, offering shelter and protection from predators. They create a safe environment for juvenile marine organisms to grow and develop before venturing into the open sea. Mangrove wetlands play a vital role in carbon sequestration. What does it mean? The answer is D. Store and trap carbon from the atmosphere. Mangrove forest helps to reduce the overall concentration of greenhouse gases, which are major contributors to global warming. Which of the following mangrove species is commonly found in the Caribbean? The answer is A. Red mangrove. The red mangrove is often referred to as the walking tree because its roots allow it to gradually move towards the water, colonizing new areas and expanding the mangrove forest. That's a wrap for today, folks. How did you do? Whether you aced this quiz or learned something new, we hope you enjoyed our mangrove wetlands trivia quiz. Before we part ways, I want to leave you with a challenge. Share this quiz with your friends and see if you can beat them. Remember to share your results in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the world of geography with us. Stay curious, stay informed, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it informative. Your support means the world to us. And hey, if you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-boggling quizzes in the future. Until next time, keep exploring the world around you.